Good morning, friends. At previous lecture, we studied about the photosynthesis. In that, we study the different pigments, different colors, and empirical formula of pigments. Now, we want to study the next part of photosynthesis, that is the cyclic, non-cyclic, and some pigments. So, in this, chlorophyll A molecules cannot remain in ionized state for more than 10 raised to 9 seconds. Chlorophyll B and carotene absorb light energy from transfer it to the reaction center by inductive resonance. Then each photosystem is with dash dash and dash dash, that is the core complex, that is the CC, and light harvesting complex, that is the LHC. Then name 3 mineral ion responsible for photolysis of water, that is the splitting of water molecules: magnesium, Mn, and calcium, that is the Ca++, and chloride ions, that is the Cl-. Name the then light phase of photosynthesis occur in grana region of chloroplast, that is in presence of light. Then light phase is dependent on dash dash and independent of dash dash, that is the light and temperature. 2 main products of light phase are, that is the ATP and NADPH2. ATP means adenine triphosphate and NADPH2 means nicotine adenine diphosphate. Then dash dash is the byproduct of light phase, that is the oxygen. Dash dash proposed that 3 are 2 pathway for ATP synthesis, cyclic and non-cyclic reaction, that is the Professor Arnon. Then non-cyclic photophosphorylation is also known as the Z scheme. The first electron accept when PS second release the electron is coenzyme quinine, that is the COQ. Non-cyclic flow of electron in Z scheme is water, PS second, PS first, and NADP. Most important process of associated with PS second is, that is the photolysis of water. Then name the enzyme which play important role photolysis of water, that is the pyridoxine and NADP reductase. Dash dash and dash dash is called assimilatory power. ATP and NADPH2 are assimilatory power. Chemoosmotic hypothesis of ATP synthesis was proposed by Professor Dr. Peter Michel. Dash dash and dash dash is called assimilatory power, that is the ATP and NADPH2, and first electron acceptor in cyclic photophosphorylation, that is the pyridoxine, that is the FRS. FRS means pyridoxine. During light phase, pH of grana dash dash due to accumulation of portion, that is the decreases. Grana decreases. Chemoosmotic hypothesis of ATP synthesis was proposed by Dr. Peter Michel. How many ATP and NADPH2 are required to synthesize one glucose molecule, that is the 18 ATP and 12 NADPH2 molecules? Dark phase is depend on, that is the in absence of light, in grana region in stroma region of chloroplast, dash dash, and independent of dash dash, temperature and light. The presence of dark reaction in photosynthesis was first established by Blackman, that is the name of the scientist. Then ATP, NADPH2 and CO2 are precursors of Kelvin cycle. Means in Kelvin cycle they are most essential. Then name two algal or algae use a photosynthetic study, that is the chlorella and synedesmus. Name two radioactive isotopes used in photosynthesis studies, that is the C14 and O18, that is the two isotopes. Thank you for watching my videos. Like it, share it. Thank you.